Hi there, Seminole County Chamber members. We are going to give you a quick tutorial today on how to add an event. I am your membership director here at the Chamber, Christina O'Leary, and we want to make sure that everyone is putting all of their events on our calendar. This includes your in-person and your virtual events. So it's really easy. All you do is log into your account at seminolebusiness.org. If you cannot remember your login, just shoot us over an email at info@seminolebusiness.org and we will get you a link resent. But once you log in, this is the main page that you see. All you do is click the events button. And then you're going to click this button here that says add event. And then fill in the information of your event, when it starts, the details. You can even put in some keywords here, location, date, time. We even have options if you'd like to add some images that for your and photos for your event to get a little more traction on it. If you have a YouTube video, then once you're done putting all of your information in here, just hit this button here that says submit for approval. If you hit save as draft, we do not get a copy of it and cannot approve it for the calendar. So be sure that when you're done, you hit submit for approval. Once you hit submit for approval, please give us about 48 hours to approve that event before it'll appear on our website on the community calendar. Not only will it appear on the community calendar, but it will go out in our Wednesday Watch email of events for up to 30 days before your event. So be sure you get all your events on here. Also, a good tool to know how to use is once you have an event, if you need to change anything, you can click on Manage Events and you can go in and make any changes that you need. Also, once you make those changes, you'll again want to submit that for approval. So be sure that you're submitting your events early and often. If you have any other questions, be sure to reach out to us at the Chamber.